In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map meta lead form data to custom fields in GoHighLevel. We're going to connect the answers people submit on Meta Instant Forms directly to custom fields inside your GoHighLevel account, so every lead arrives with clean, organized data you can filter, automate, and report on. First, make sure your instant form is already created in Meta. The questions and answer choices you set up there are exactly what we'll mirror in GoHighLevel. Inside your GoHighLevel location, open Settings, then go to Custom Fields. This is where you'll create the fields that match your form questions, one for one. Click Add Field, choose Dropdown, Single, and click Next. A single select dropdown works best for questions with predefined choices, like service interest, case type, or budget. In the Details panel, give the field a clear name you'll recognize later. Then add the drop-down options to match your meta form exactly. Same spelling, capitalization, and spacing. Keeping labels identical ensures the mapping pairs up perfectly and prevents blank or mismatched values. If your form also captures injury type, repeat the process to create a matching custom field for that as well. Again, as a single select drop-down with the same options you used on the form. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Now let's link these to your meta form. Go back to Settings and open Integrations. Find Facebook under your connected apps, click the three dots, and select Form Field Mapping. Choose the exact instant form you created in Meta. You'll see the form questions on the left and your GoHighLevel fields on the right. Map standard items like name, email, and phone to GoHighLevel's default contact fields. For the questions you replicated, select the custom fields you just created, such as the drop-down for injury type. Take a moment to confirm each question lines up with the correct field and that the field types make sense for the data. Save your mapping. From now on, any new lead coming through that instant form will automatically populate your custom fields in GoHighLevel. To verify, head to Contacts and open a recent or test lead. You should see the mapped values neatly stored in the Custom Field section, ready for filters, smart lists, and automations like routing, tagging, and tailored follow-ups. And that's it. By mirroring your meta questions as GoHighLevel custom fields and completing the form field mapping, you'll keep your data structured, eliminate manual entry, and trigger precise workflows the moment a lead comes in.